Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. A man believed to be of Unsound mind is now dead after a brutal mob attack in Southside Central Kingston. The incident, which stemmed from a dispute between the man and a woman in the area, has left his family heartbroken. Yannick Williams has the details.
46-year-old Margaretha Burton, otherwise called Chungy, who was well known in Gold Street, was said to have battled mental illness for years. Relatives say despite his condition, he was generally peaceful and would interact well with residents when he was stable. However, they explained that there were times when his behavior would change due to his mental state. Reports indicate that on Monday morning, the man was walking behind a woman he often spoke to in the community. It is alleged that the woman picked up a stone and hit him. Residents say the man retaliated by throwing or using a stone to hit her back. That incident quickly escalated when a group of residents turned onto him, beating him mercilessly.
So my brother run come and a lot of people behind him. And I said, hold him. Then my neighbor right there come out and him grab him. Him take him inside the yard and lock the gate and them go on bad for let him out. Anyway, true. Him then I'm right state of mind time think them want to carry him go Bellevue because I'm very scared of that. So him jump the house top. So when he jumped the house top, somebody was over there waiting for him. Steel, knife, I don't know if it was stab, but knife, steel, tennis, some rocket, something, iron thing. Them drop big stone in him head. So I beat him, I see them run out of one, all the stuff on Tower Street. Satana see it like this and he was just sitting there, they would just like beating him in the head, beat him. I'm just sitting there not doing nothing at all.
Family members say he was chased, beaten, and pounded repeatedly as the angry mob turned the community into a scene of horror. They allege that bricks were broken in his head and a piece of steel was pushed into his head during the attack.
Them say like, she fling a stone, must say a gun and walk behind and make up nice, and she fling a stone off him, and him fling back the stone and bump on the wall and catch her over her eye. And then she must call her big father and her friend them and our sister them and our cousin them, the whole of them. Him not let nobody. People always are doing my picnic things. You understand? People always are doing things.
The man was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital in critical condition, where he later died from his injuries. The tragedy has once again sparked conversations about mental health, community violence, and the dangers of mob justice. The family is now seeking justice.
I want justice. I want justice because my son, him dead and me have to bury him now. You understand? So I want justice. I want justice. Them the way they go up and say everybody want to see it.
As police continue their investigations, a family is left mourning a son, a brother, and a life they believed could have been saved. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.